One of the most common reports a school will generate through this section is the report card. Running a report card in GradeLink is easy. At the end of each term, teachers or administrators will conclude their classes. This is our way of letting GradeLink know that a class is over and done with. No new grades will be entered, and no more changes will be made. Once a class has been concluded, its data is automatically transferred onto report cards and transcripts for you. At that point, all you have to do to run a report card is select your term range, mode, and a student or group of students that you'd like to run the report card for. You can run report cards by individual, class, or grade level. While not every school will make use of them, report card profiles give you the ability to generate report cards that have small changes to their designs. For example, you may have a report card that needs to look mostly the same for both upper and lower grade levels, but only needs to display a GPA for the upper grade levels. In this scenario, you could just create two separate profiles, one that includes the GPA and one that doesn't. We'll showcase a couple of report card examples here, just so you can see what GradeLink has to offer. A large degree of customization options are available, and we work with every organization throughout their implementation phase to design the report cards, progress reports, and transcripts that make your school look professional and fulfill your unique needs. This report card is more common for upper grade levels, such as middle or high school students, and is very concise with the information that it displays. There's room for grades, attendance, narrative comments, and more, but the information shown is relatively light. Compare that to this bifold report card, which affords us a lot more space for each class to better focus on their intricacies and subcomponents. We also have a nice custom-made front cover on the right-hand side, as well as a left-hand side that functions as a back cover and provides a space for extended narrative comments. Teachers are able to enter both narrative and numbered comments in the system to speak to student progress. Narrative comments can easily be updated at any time, and teachers are able to review not only each student's active grades and attendance for reference, but also any past grades, attendance, and narrative comments that the teacher has logged throughout the year. We can help you configure up to 30 numbered comment options that teachers can quickly input into the system for each class or subject as well. Report cards can be easily printed out or saved as PDF files. If you'd like to mail them to your families directly, GradeLink allows you to generate mailing and address labels through your administrative reports. You can also publish official report cards online for your parents to access through a computer or via our free mobile app. Not only does this save you time and paper, but you'll be able to access a report that shows you who's opened the report card and who hasn't.